I want that one right there. I want that one. That's that Camry XLE. That's that hybrid? That's Melissa right there. How you doing? Over here at Bone Brothers Toyota, hanging out with Michael. What's up, man?
What's happening, AD?
Bone Brothers Toyota. And tell them who you are, man.
Steve.
What's up, Steve? How you making out? How many miles to the gallon I can get on that one?
44 miles to the gallon.
Wow. Talk to me about that hybrid, man. A lot of people, you know, they kind of questionable about that.
That hybrid is one of the best hybrids on the market right now. Toyota invented that subsidy drive.
Okay, I like it. I'm telling you. Here at Bone Brothers Toyota, got the deals going. Today, I got Trey White with me hanging out. We got food. Leo, what's up, man?
You, baby.
Bless you. How you making out?
I can't complain.
So Leo is in charge with, who else is rolling with you?
My brother Mara.
Mara, what's up, baby? How you making out, man? A.B. Barry, man.
A.B. Barry.
Hey, what we got on the grill today, man?
Mars, we got hamburgers,
Yeah.
wieners, I don't know what else, you know. We're going to do it up, though.
Maybe some ribs.
That's right. There you go. All right. Plus, not only. Oh yeah. How you making out, man?
Good.
It's AD, man. Tell them who you are.
Bruce.
What's up, Bruce? How you making out?
Good,
So
man.
you're feeding everybody. You're giving them the best deals on Toyotas.
Absolutely.
Right here, Bone Brothers Toyota. Hey,
0% financing, 10,000 off some models. We're going to be crazy today.
give them that number to call.
341-3300.
All right. Hey, AD Barry, I'm gonna be here till 1 o'clock. We're hanging out, y'all. Trey White, the reality TV star. We got Estelle tickets to give away. You can't even buy these. She's got a secret performance coming up. What's up, man? Tell everybody your name, man.
Peter.
All right, Peter. What's up? Come see Peter. Bone Brothers Toyota.